Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sentry, monitor application errors step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the Sentry URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Sentry homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will now be directed to the Login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you wish to remain logged in on this device, check the Remember Me option. Once all fields are filled out, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Sentry dashboard. In case you encounter issues, click on Forgot Password to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your email to regain access. After logging in, explore your project settings and configurations. You can now monitor application errors effectively using Sentry. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the interface for optimal usage. Congratulations, you are now logged into Sentry. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.